Picture this: no more stopping at gas stations, no oil changes, and the ability to power your car from your very own home. Sounds perfect, right? But before you rush out to buy an electric vehicle, there's a lot more under the hood, literally and figuratively, that you should know about. Electric vehicles are taking over the roads, but are they truly the future of transportation? Are they the perfect eco-friendly solution? Or are there hidden downsides that could change your mind? In this video, we're breaking down the real pros and cons of electric vehicles to help you decide whether making the switch is the right move for you. Let's start with the good stuff. There's no doubt that electric vehicles, EVs, come with some impressive benefits that have made them so popular in recent years. First up, let's talk about one of the biggest advantages: cost savings. With an electric vehicle, you say goodbye to gas stations. Charging your EV is significantly cheaper than fueling up with gas, and depending on where you live, you could even charge for free at public charging stations. Then there's maintenance, or should I say, the lack of it. No oil changes, fewer moving parts, and less wear and tear mean fewer trips to the mechanic. EVs are designed to last longer and require much less maintenance than their gas-powered counterparts. And let's not forget the environmental impact. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means cleaner air and a smaller carbon footprint. For anyone concerned about climate change, driving electric is a big step toward a greener future. But of course, there's always a flip side, and electric vehicles come with their own set of challenges. Now, let's dive into the cons. First on the list, price. While EVs have come down in cost, they're still generally more expensive upfront than traditional gas-powered vehicles. Sure, you save on fuel and maintenance, but that initial investment can be a tough pill to swallow for some. And here's another big one: range anxiety. You've probably heard this term before, and for good reason. While EV ranges are improving, they still can't match the distance you'd get from a full tank of gas. If you're planning a long road trip, you'll need to think ahead about where and when you can charge. Speaking of charging, let's talk about the infrastructure. While major cities are rapidly increasing the number of charging stations, rural areas or long road trips can still be a challenge. And don't forget, charging takes time. Even with fast chargers, you're looking at a 30-minute wait compared to a 5-minute gas fill-up. Charging at home is convenient if you have a home with the right setup. For apartment dwellers or those without access to a garage, charging can become a bit of a logistical nightmare. And while home chargers are an option, installation isn't cheap. But here's where things get exciting. The technology behind electric vehicles is advancing at lightning speed. Battery ranges are improving, new charging infrastructure is being built every day, and with advancements in autonomous driving, the future of EVs looks bright. Major car manufacturers are investing heavily in electric vehicles, and we're starting to see more affordable models hit the market. Governments are also incentivizing EV purchases, offering tax breaks and rebates that could make that hefty price tag a little easier to manage. So, should you make the switch to an electric vehicle? The answer really depends on your lifestyle. If you live in a city with a good charging infrastructure, want to save money on fuel and maintenance, and are environmentally conscious, an EV could be perfect for you. But if you often drive long distances, live in a rural area with limited charging options, or aren't ready to commit to the upfront cost, a gas-powered vehicle might still be the better choice, for now. At the end of the day, electric vehicles are the future of transportation. Whether that future is today or a few years from now is up to you. But one thing's for sure, EVs are here to stay, and the pros are only going to get better as technology improves. If you're thinking about making the switch, weigh the pros and cons carefully. Look at your driving habits, your budget, and your goals. Because as much as electric vehicles can transform the way we drive, they're not a one-size-fits-all solution, at least not yet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of transportation. Are you thinking about switching to an electric vehicle? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive smart and stay charged.